So question number 4, here 3 by 13. By using this question, we should find whether it is terminating, non-terminating, recurring and non-recurring. So first we should divide this 3 by 13. 3 divided by 13. So 3 is less than 13. So put point and you should take 0 here. It becomes 30. Then 13 table, 13 2s are 26. So subtract this. 30 minus 26 is 4. Then 4 is less than 13. So then you take 0. Then 13 3s are 39. So remainder is 1. So already we had put point there. Then you can take 0. So again it become 10. So 10 is less than 13. So what we should do here? We have to take 0 1 0 here. Then here 1 0. Then it become 100. Then 13 7s are 91. So what is the remainder here? Remainder is 100 minus 91. Then here it become 9. Okay. Then already point is there. Then you should take 0. Multiply 13 6 are 78. So here 0 is there. So 1 you borrow from this side. It become 10. 10 minus 8, that is 2. So here 8 remainder. 8 minus 7, that is 1. Okay. Then again 12 is less than 13. So you can take 0. Here it become 120. Then 13 9s are. So we should multiply 13 9s are 117. So remainder is, here subtract this, remainder is 3. Now in numerator here 3 is there. So here also we got 3. Remainder we got 3. That means again 3 is less than 13. So then again what we should do? Here we should take 1 0. Then 13 2s are 26. Then it will go continuously like this, same digits. That means here answer is 0.230769. Again of 9 you will get 230769, so on. Same digits will repeat. So here how many digits are repeating here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means till 9. Okay. So therefore here this can be written as 0.230769. So this many digits are repeating. So over all that digits we have to put the bar. Now we have to identify whether it is a terminating, non-terminating and recurring. So here not ending, that means it is not terminating. It is non-terminating. Non-terminating and repeating, your digits are repeating, so it is called as recurring. Non-terminating and recurring decimals. 2 by 11, here numerator 2 is there, denominator 11. So we should divide 2 divided by 11. So here 2 is less than 11. So we have to put the point, that is decimal point. Then we can take 0 here. So 11 ones are 11. Now subtract this. So remainder here 9. Then 9 is less than 11. Then you can take 0 here. 11 8s are 88. Then remainder here 0. Then you can take 1 from this side. 10 minus 8 is 2. Here remainder 1. sorry 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, then here 0, 2 is less than 11, so you can take 0. 11 ones are 11, so again 20 minus 11, remainder 9. Okay, then again you can take here 0. 11 8s are 88, so it will go continuously. Okay, so your answer is 0.18, 18, so on. So here 1818 is repeating, so this can be written as 0.18. Over the 2 digits we have to put the bar, so therefore it is a non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating and recurring. So 329 divided by 400. 329 divided by 400. So here 329 is less than 400, so put point, so you can take 0 here. Then 400 3s it will not come. Then 400 into 8 we can take here. 0 8 4s are 32. So 400 into 8 we can take 32. 8 4s are 32. So then subtract here. So remainder is 90. So then 90 is less than 400. So already we give the point. Then you can take 1 0. Then 400 into 2, that is 800. Then subtract here 100 remainder. Then you can take again 1 0. So again 400 2s are 800. So remainder is 200. Remainder is 200. Then already we give the point. Then 0. So then 400 5s are, because 5 4s are 20. Then these 2 zeros. So subtract here, remainder is a 0. So what is the answer here? 0.8225. There it is, terminating decimal. Terminating decimal.